Hi everyone, welcome to BuddyDevelopers. I am Ritika. Today we are creating a custom header for a directory site using the Astra Theme and Spectra builder. Stay tuned as we walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Our website looks like this after doing default setup. On the left side is our default logo and on the right side is GeoDirectory default menus. So first of all we will be creating our header. So we will try to make header similar to this website. The menu options of our header will be different. So we will be making 3 layouts of our header. So in one layout there will be our logo. That will be on the left side. And in middle layout there will be our main menu. And on the right side will be our menu items for my profile and add listing button. Similar to the header of this website. Like the sign in button that will be present in my profile. And the add listing button will also be there. So the logo which we will be using here is already made in Canva. This logo. So if you want to know how we can make logo in Canva for free, so you can check out our early video which we have made on this topic. You can check out our YouTube channel BuddyDevelopers for getting this concept. You can check out there how to create logo for free from Canva. You can get the full information there. Okay, so let's upload this logo into our header. And for this, we have to go into the WordPress dashboard. So we will be going on dashboard and selecting appearance, then customize. After coming on to customize, then we will be clicking on the header builder option. After that you can see option on the left side. Also, if you click on logo, you can get the option to edit by the symbol of pen visible on screen. So you can change logo from there. So after clicking on this tool, we are getting the option to change this logo. So now we are getting the option to select logo for uploading the logo. So now we will be clicking on select logo. So now we will be selecting our logo which we have uploaded. You can crop the logo as per your requirement as the option is given. So now our logo is set. Now we will be reducing the width of our logo. We will be adjusting it according to the side. We are keeping it at 200. Also at bottom you can see the option of size title. So we will be removing this. So now our logo is set. Now we need to click on the publish button and we can publish it. So now we will be creating our menu. One will be our left side menu and the other will be the right side menu. So for creating menu, we have to go to the WordPress dashboard. So we will be going on dashboard and selecting appearance and then selecting menu from it. So now let's create left menu first, where there will be our places and search page. So the menu which we will be creating, let's name it as main menu. Now let's create it. So now in the main menus, we will be adding the menus of GeoDirectory. So now we will be clicking on places and search page and then clicking on add to menu button. So now we will be setting the main menu to the primary menu. And for that we will be checking on the primary menu. Then we will be clicking on the save button and saving it. And now our left menu is created, in which there is main menu, under which comes places and search page. So now we need to create a menu for right side. So we will be going on for this into create menu. So for the right side menu, we will be giving it name right menu. Then clicking on create button, we will be creating this menu. So our right menu is created. Now we need to choose menu options from the left side. So on the right side, we will be adding the option for my profile, in which there will be the option for both login user as well as logout user. First, we will be opening user WP endpoints. So we will be adding options for the users who are logged in. So for them, we will be selecting account, change password, profile and logout. So we will be adding these 4 options, which will be displayed to the login user. So now we will be clicking on add to menu and we will be adding these options to our menu. So now our menu for login user is created. That will be under account and this will be in the format of drop down. So first the option of profile will be displayed, then change password and then logout. Then we will be selecting it on secondary menu. Then we will be clicking on save menu and saving it. So now after this, we need to select menu option for the users who are not logged in. And for that, we will be keeping the option of login only. Then after choosing onto the login option, we will be clicking on add to menu option for adding it. Done now. So now our login option is also visible. Now we will also be saving this. So now we will be going into our customized option. So now let's refresh it once because we have created menu there. So to reflect it on page, we will refresh it once. Now we will be clicking on header builder. So now you can see the 3 boxes from which we will be choosing the middle one to create our header. So the part of the logo is erased. So our primary menu is showed on right side. We will be bringing this onto the left side by dragging and dropping it near to the site title and logo option. So now within the primary menu, whatever menu we have created is displayed above, that is places and search page. So our primary menu is set now. So on the right side, we will be creating right menu and add listing. Both the buttons will be created. And for this, you can see this plus icon. We will be clicking on this. So earlier we had selected right menu as secondary menu. So here we will be choosing secondary menu. After this, whatever we have created in the secondary menu, it will be showed here. Okay, so now we will be bringing it again near to the other side by drag and drop. The drag and drop is not working, then still it's fine. So we will be choosing up the button of which will be the name add listing, on which when the user will click, he will be able to generate the listing. And for this, we will be clicking on the plus icon again and clicking on the button icon. Now the button has come on the right side. Now we will be changing the name of this button and for that we will be clicking on this button. On the left side we can see the options. From the text we can change the name to add listing. And in the link of this button we will be adding the link of add listing page. So for now we will be adding hash here. Later on, for add listing, when we will be creating the add listing page. So now we will publish this. After publishing, we will go onto our front end. After going, we will refresh it once. Okay, so now you can see our logo is visible here. It is displayed. The left menu which we created, place search page, is also showing. And for the right side we have added the account page, for which we added profile, change password, logout and add listing button. Currently we have logged, so the options available for logged users are being displayed here. So now we will be logging out and we will be seeing that the options which we had kept for logout users are also being displayed or not. We'll see what it's showing after logging it out. So we have logged out. Now you can see the option of login. The one who is not logged in, they will see this option in the menu. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.